I have been obsessed with mini things. Like I watch those reels where they cook in a little kitchen using little pots and stuff. I'm obsessed with them. Maybe because I'm mini myself. Anyway, I have been looking around for this here in Australia. Been to so many Kmart's trying to look for this. Always like either out of stock or it's not, hasn't even been brought in from the US. I don't know. Anyway, today I was in a meeting and my son was trying to FaceTime me and I ignored it because obviously I was in a meeting. He came home with this. He's such an enabler. God bless him. Anyway, yes. So I've got this now. I'm so excited to unbox it. So this is by Minibrands and it comes with the fridge and two of these mystery balls with like the food inside. So kind of like a blind box, but balls. And it says here, it actually lights up. Ooh, how exciting. And that's what it looks like. So there's a lot of shelves. There's the freezer section and the fridge section. So now let's open it up. Okay. I always struggle with these. It's so hard, especially when you've got like long nails. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, what? Okay. Look at my fridge. Look, I'll turn it on. I think that's the on button. It looks like there's already battery. Let's see. Oh, wow, it lights up. Let's see the freezer. Well, freezer doesn't light up. It's just the fridge part. Okay, anyway, there's stuff inside the fridge. There's more packaging. Could be like shelves and stuff. So let me try and assemble first and I'll get back to you. Oh my God, I wasn't recording the whole time. But anyway, just in case, this is what I got. Okay, I have got this Kikkoman soy sauce, a fruit tray where you can open it up and then you can see all the different fruits inside. A turmeric shot, super healthy. Cooked lobster, so fancy. Look at that, it's a cooked lobster. And then I've got 2 boxes of Pizza Hut. Okay, one is, I believe, my favorite, which is pepperoni, the cheese pizza. Oh my God, so good. Now for the second one, satisfying pop. Oh, ooh, I've got this like bottle. I'm hoping it's pepperoni again. Why? Why give me another pepperoni pizza? Another fruit tray. Come on, it came with the same packet. Why would you give me double? Okay, this one feels different. Pepperami. I don't know what that is. My favorite. It's a broccoli florets. Look how cute. Oh, I thought it was pizza again. Ooh, it's an oven roasted deli turkey. You know what's missing? Meat pie. But you can tell this is American, obviously, because there's no meat pie or sausage rolls. Let's test out the fridge magnets. Oh my God, they stick. Oh, yeah, watermelon. Oh, amazing. And the pizza. Oh, wow. Ooh. Oh my God, how cute. Here's my food so far. It goes nothing. Okay, supposed to pour this gelatin mixture in here. Is that it? Okay, let's not drop any. Okay, and I think we put it in the fridge. And we turn the UV thing on, which is the light. And that apparently will set it. Let's put it to the test. I'll have to wait 25 minutes. Oh, look guys. It's set. Woohoo! Okay. Oh, that was very exciting. Very exciting. Now I think I'm going to be going to Kmart this weekend to get some more